This video tutorial is about phrases. A phrase is a group of words that functions as if it were a single noun, adjective, or adverb. A phrase is named after the kind of word it begins with, a participle, gerund, infinitive, preposition, or a positive. A phrase cannot stand on its own because it does not contain a subject or finite verb. This is a brief overview of different types of phrases. We will then look at each one in more detail. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun. There are two main kinds of prepositional phrases. An adjectival phrase is a prepositional phrase that functions as an adjective. For example, a dog with fleas definitely needs a bath. With fleas describes something about a dog. An adverbial phrase is a prepositional phrase that functions as an adverb. It tells us something about the way an action is performed. I fed the dog in the morning. And a positive is a noun or pronoun that renames or explains another noun or pronoun. For example, Bo, a Border Collie cross, was up for adoption. The appositive phrase Border Collie cross tells us the breed of dog that Bo is. A non-finite phrase is a verb form used as another part of speech. There are three kinds of non-finite phrases. The first is participial, which begins with a present or past participle and functions as an adjective. For example, washed with baby shampoo, my dog almost sparkles. Washed with baby shampoo describes my dog. Another type of non-finite form is the gerund phrase, which begins with a gerund and functions as a noun. Washing the dog is a chore. Here, washing the dog is an activity noun rather than an action. The verb in this sentence is. The third kind is an infinitive phrase, which begins with an infinitive and can function as a noun, adjective, or adverb. I need to wash the dog. The verb need in this sentence is transitive, so it needs an object, a thing. To wash the dog in this sentence functions as a noun. I am happy to wash the dog. Here the infinitive phrase to wash the dog acts as an adjective by describing how I am happy. The sentence I wash the dog to kill his fleas uses the infinitive as an adverb to describe the action of wash. So now we'll look at all the types of phrases more closely, beginning with prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with its object. A prepositional phrase can function as an adjective or an adverb. The first type of prepositional phrase is an adjectival prepositional phrase. Adjectival phrases answer the questions which kind, which one, and whose of a noun or pronoun. These are some examples. Here is the key to the front door. A man like you should know better. Something in the garden caught my eye. Variety is a spice of life. The other type of prepositional phrase is an adverbial prepositional phrase. Adverbial phrases answer the questions where, when, how, and to what degree of a verb, adjective, or another verb. These are some examples. I searched for hours. The gun was found in the drawer. I'm afraid of heights. I write early in the evening.